Dissolve! Dissolve!
Mama yangu, game over. Mwenye uwanja wake kaingia sasa. Game ishaisha hii. Maana soko huu mnala ulioingia. Wameisha.
Easy, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Is there any problem?
Yes, sir. I need your help.
What?
Yesterday, when I was in my boss shop,
Speak now.
Okay, the thing is hard, sir. So yesterday, when I was in my boss shop, there is one guy that came. He said, "You want to buy iPhone 17 Pro Max?" So I told him the price was 5 million. He said, "No problem." So I gave him the account number to transfer the money for me. So instead of transferring 5 million, he now transferred 500,000. And now I told my boss was very angry with me, and she said that she will fire me. So that I should give her the 500,000 now.
Give her now.
So the person that transferred the 500,000, he wrote a fake alert.
Huh?
My brother, see, it's gone. No understand? It's gone. You sold iPhone 17 Pro Max for someone 500,000. You intended to sold it 5 million, but you go sell it 500k, 500,000. You don't understand? See, I want to let you know something. You understand? Anything if at all, anything we go make that money come back, now God. But in lumps, you know, say the money no go come. I hope say you know. The money is gone, The person that cheats you, do you think he's not hungry? He's hungry. And you see free money, you will chop up, you will eat it, you will squander it, you will garnish it, you will damar it. You don't understand? What will they do? You as a businessman, someone transfer money to you. Why waiting make you they carried away? You don't even wait when the POS do that. You for wait when the POS sound. When that sound enter, then you check how much he said, how much waiting this, that. But you just did like that. They say, bro, I don't send that much. Okay, no problem. You let the person go. If they say that biscuit or all these small minerals like old Gary where the person buy, no need for POS to sound. Make carry and go because that one a minor case. But this one iPhone 17 Pro Max. When some people they use Nokia touchlight. People they use Nokia touchlight. Person can't rob your iPhone 17. If now be your boss, but I will not even wait. I know it's no need to wait, bro. I will sell your house, sell your family house, sell your land. Anything where you get your certificates, I will edit them, sell them until you reach that money. You don't understand? Hey, oh my God, you strong, iPhone 17. Hey, iPhone 7, not even iPhone 17, not even iPhone 17. Not even iPhone 17 Pro Max there on top. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hey, oh my God, that means you are rich now. You don't make up for this life, no wonder. If to say you no make am for this life, nothing go make you lose guard this kind thing. You don make am for this life na why, bros. See, see that phone wey run fake alert, na to track am down. Nothing concern me. Dey go take me 10 years to track that phone. 5 million, you say na small thing. See, if I won't catch the piece, if I catch the thief, that thief go suffer life. Cause we for our side, if we catch thief, you know who they use thief do? We go follow them play. Yes. If we catch thief, we dey follow them play. You know they don't be this one, no be mouth, no be joke. We go follow you play. Go dance how we look. You go dance how we go dance tire bros. Okay,